Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 17, leçon N. And in this lesson we'll continue. We've been starting this series of videos covering le passé simple, and in this one we will cover the verb avoir, so to have. Okay, so let's start now. Avoir au passé simple. J'eus, tu eus, il eut, elle eut, nous eûmes, vous eûtes, ils eurent, elles eurent. Okay, so as you can see, phonetically it's quite a challenge because you've got to keep in mind that for each forms you will pronounce this combination of vowels e, u. You don't pronounce it like normally we would pronounce it e, okay, but we will pronounce it u all the time. Okay, so j'eus, final S not pronounced. Tu eus, final S not pronounced. Il eut, final T not pronounced. Elle eut. Then nous eûmes, so you can make this little link between the two. Final S not pronounced. Vous eûtes, same thing here, and then the link. Vous eûtes. Ils eurent, elles eurent. Okay, remember that when we've got this ENT ending at the end of the plural form, so third person of the plural, you don't pronounce it, so you get eurent. Okay, and then with the link, the liaison, ils eurent, elles eurent. Okay, so one more time. J'eus, tu eus, il eut, elle eut, nous eûmes, vous eûtes, ils eurent, elles eurent. And that's it. You get all the forms of the passé simple for the verb avoir. Have a great day. Au revoir et à bientôt.